Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to my channel for another video. If you're new here, make sure to hit the subscribe button below and give this video a big thumbs up. So today I am actually off work. It's a Thursday. I am never off work on Thursdays. I work Monday through Friday at an office job. And so today is quite different for me. So this isn't exactly a morning routine per se, but definitely an exciting fall day that I actually have off for once in a lifetime. Here I'm making some hot chocolate to start off my morning. I love hot chocolate. Is anybody else with me on that? Like a good old-fashioned cheap bagged hot chocolate, I'm there all the way. So I'm just heating up my water here in the Keurig, and I can't think of a better way to start the day other than to drink a hot chocolate. So I wanted to take a second to give a shout out to Turtle Fire Graphics Company. I found them on Etsy. I actually received this mug from my mom. It is a Friends TV show mug. It's got Chandler on it. And it's just so stinking cute. I love using it. And the makers of this cup are so extremely nice. I reached out to them on Etsy to let them know I love their mug, and they're just incredibly nice. I'm going to link the mug below. I don't know that they have any more in stock, but I'll definitely link their Etsy page below. And you guys should definitely go check out their cups because they're stinking cute. I decided to have a bagel this morning. This is one of my absolute favorite breakfasts in the entire world. These are actually bagel thins, I think that's what they're called, and they are so stinking good. I love the ones with the poppy seeds on them. I don't know, I just find them really, really good. So if you're wondering what I'm doing right now, I'm actually weighing my cream cheese. I pretty much weigh all of my food so that I know exactly how many calories I'm eating every single day. So I am putting my bagel on there and literally weighing how many grams of cream cheese I have on each bagel. Call me crazy, but that's how I need to get things done. Right now, the baby is sleeping still up in his crib, so that monitor by the cup actually has him laying right on it so I can see exactly what he's doing at all times. So I decided to take some time this morning while I was eating breakfast and go ahead and look for some throw pillows because I have been super intrigued with like everyone's throw pillows in these videos that I watch all the time, and I just thought how cute it would be to find some for our bed and our couch. So if you guys have any really sturdy couch throw pillows or bed throw pillows that you really, really love, can you please let me know in the comment section below because I am really on the lookout for really cute, comfortable pillows. So now that I'm done with breakfast, I'm going to kind of clean everything up here and go ahead and start baking some cookies. I thought it would be fun, since my husband's at work today, to go ahead and bake some pumpkin cookies. I love these cookies, and I'm going to tell you the recipe, and I'll link it down below, but it is my absolute favorite pumpkin cookie recipe. They're called pumpkin spice cookies, and I will link those below, but I wanted to give a shout out to that cookie maker or that recipe designer, because the recipe is just so stinking good. They are time consuming, but definitely worth it and not hard to make at all. So this recipe comes from Just So Tasty, and I got this recipe from Pinterest. It has all the fall spices in it, and it smelled so good just even making it. So once you combine all the ingredients, the dough is pretty wet still, so you have to let it sit in the fridge for 2 to 24 hours. So I always just do 2. It's always fine when I do just 2. So in the meantime, I thought I would just get some tidying up done and some relaxing. The baby actually woke up very, very shortly after I put the dough in the fridge. So, yeah. I just went up and got him from bed, and then I decided to go out in the backyard, spend some time out in the fresh air. And even though it's a cozy fall day, guys, unfortunately, I live in Ohio, so it was actually close to 80 degrees that day. So that's why you see me rolling up my sleeves. That's why he does not have a jacket or pants on. It is not cold outside in this video at all whatsoever, if you couldn't tell by the sunshine on the deck. But I love getting some fresh air with the baby. He loves being outside, and I know Lewis, our chocolate lab, does as well. So after we came inside, I just put him in his swing for a little bit and turned on some cartoons. Anybody else's baby love cartoons? So obviously time has gone by, and now it is time to take the cookie dough out of the fridge. So here I'm making the cinnamon sugar to roll the cookie dough in. So this cookie is very, very similar to Snickerdoodles. I would say if you like Snickerdoodle cookies, you will really, really like this cookie a lot. I'm just eyeballing it right now. Honestly, I'm just making these for us, so it doesn't really matter if they're mismatched in size or not. But I just do like an 1.5 inch round. And then I go ahead and flatten all of them just a little bit, not completely flat or anything, but just flatten them a little bit with the palm of my hand. And now into the oven they go. The recipe calls for 8 to 10 minutes. I do 9. I let them go a little bit longer than 9. This cookie jar I got from Walmart. It is a little tiny Basset Hound cookie jar. That is all for today's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed this. Make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Make sure to hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so already. Definitely make sure to comment below if you are a new subscriber to my channel, because I love new subscribers and I want to thank you individually. If you want to do any collaborations with me on my channel for any videos at all, I definitely am so excited to collaborate with some of you at Christmas time. If you want to collaborate with me and do some videos with me, I am so up for that. I am so excited for all of the videos coming out during this holiday season, and I am just looking forward to meeting so many more of my family here on YouTube. Thanks for watching, guys, and I will see you guys in my next video.